Bitcoin is still on the critical support level, guys, and we are not yet safe. And if you are a subscriber of this channel, you know that I have warned you several times, Bitcoin is in danger. Bitcoin correction is still on the table. This drop isn't over. Emergency, Bitcoin in trouble. So right now, I think Bitcoin is still on that very critical support level, guys. Look at this. I have pointed out that Bitcoin was trading near the resistance level, and I've spoke about the bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Right now, very, very important. Watch this video, guys. On my previous analysis, I have told you that Bitcoin could drop to $85 up to $86,000. Let's just cross our fingers that Bitcoin would hold this 200 exponential moving average as a support, because if not, this is going to be tragic, guys. Not only for Bitcoin, but for the rest of the altcoin. If you want to know why, make sure you watch the rest of the video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and of course, click that notification bell if you want to stay up to date with my latest analysis and trade updates. Now let's get into it. In the 4-hour time frame, the price is still hovering, guys. Hovering on this very important critical support level. Now, if this breaks, then there is a huge chance that Bitcoin could drop. We have actually several supports along the way. We have this one right here at 90 up to $91,000. This is going to be the first level of support. But again, I'm going to repeat, the ideal breakout target of this ascending parallel channel will be the bottom of the channel, and that will give us the $86 up to $85,000 target. Now, if you want to screenshot this chart, you may feel you are free to do so. So this is going to be the final ideal breakout target, and this is going to be the first support level. All right, so that's the target for Bitcoin, guys, if this support doesn't hold. Now, oscillator is already in the oversold area on the 4-hour time frame. But if you are going to look at the daily time frame, and if we're going to measure the Fibonacci retracement levels, guys, exactly the 38.2 is in confluence with this ideal breakout target, which is around 87,200. And using the Fibonacci retracement level, we're going to plot the swing high and the swing low level to see where Bitcoin could actually retrace, guys. Look at this. We have a beautiful confluence right there. Perfect confluence, 61.8. So there is still a chance that Bitcoin could drop to $74,000. So let's see how many percent is that from the all-time high, 100,000. That is 30% or 31%. Now, if you are following me on my X account, I have tweeted, guys, we haven't seen the real market shakeout in this bull market yet. It will happen when majority less expected. A 30 up to 50% unleveraged correction is coming sooner than you'd think. So right now we are seeing a correction on the Bitcoin's price. Let's see how many percent is it right now. We are only 11%, guys. And yesterday I have tweeted, I just hope that the market will bounce before we see that 30 to 50% correction. So let's just cross our fingers that the current support level will hold and we might see a retest of this middle zone, guys. That is around 102, the middle zone, but this will act as a short-term resistance. $100,000 will be the psychological number that will act as a resistance. Now, looking at the oscillator, Chart Prime Oscillator Pro, one of the best paid indicator in the market, guys. This is pretty accurate. I have been using it for several years now. If you want to take advantage, you can get up to 50% discount if you're going to use my referral link in the description down below. So we have a huge bearish divergence, guys, on the daily time frame. The price is forming higher high while the oscillator fails to make new high. So we have a huge bearish divergence. Right now, the oscillator is approaching the zero level. That is a short-term support, but this is still a long way down going to the oversold area. So probably we might see a quick drop in the coming days. I have already started to DCA in some of the altcoins. Again, correction is an opportunity to buy cheaper altcoins and to reaccumulate in this bull market, guys. Again, not a financial advice, but in my opinion, we are still in the last phase of this bull market, final leg up. So we might see some correction, 30%, 10% correction. That is totally normal in the bull market, guys. So I'm expecting a possible wick down. Probably we might see a quick drop to 85 to 86. I'm expecting a bounce on this level. Then probably that's the time we continue going up. And then some of the altcoins, maybe if Bitcoin will consolidate here, some of the altcoins are going to rally, guys. And that's the time we might see alt season. But right now, this level is a no trade zone, especially if you're trading leverage. I think the best option right now is just to trade in spot. There's no liquidation in spot. You can start to DCA and hold some of your favorite altcoins, reaccumulate. Again, I have already accumulated majority of my altcoins, long-term bags, when Bitcoin was hovering at around $16,000. So I'm just taking profit on the way up, but probably I'm gonna buy some if we get that opportunity. If Bitcoin drop to 85 up to $86,000, I think that is a very good opportunity to reaccumulate some of the altcoins. Now, before we end this video, guys, let me show you one of the altcoins that I am looking at right now. So this is ENA, guys. Even though we have a bearish divergence on the oscillator, Chart Prime Oscillator Pro, almost similar oscillator and price action to the Bitcoin's price, but right now I think there is a huge potential for this possible cup in handle pattern, guys, on the daily time frame. Again, do your research, because trading altcoins are super high risk, and there's a chance that this could go even lower and you can get liquidated if you don't know how to manage your risk. So right now, in my opinion, ENA is forming a possible cup in handle pattern. Now, in order for us to get the target for this cup in handle pattern, we are going to measure from the neckline of this cup up to the bottom of this cup, guys. So this one will drag this line up here from the breakout point, and that will give us a $2 target. So let's see how many percent is that going to be from the current price of ENA. That will give us around 150%. So do your own research about ENA, but I'm just sharing with you the chart right now. I think there is a huge potential for this possible cup and handle pattern. Now let me open up my BYDfi account. If you want to trade ENA, you can actually trade this in BYDfi, and the price right now is hovering on the 4-hour time frame. The price is hovering on this 200 exponential moving average. A little bit of wick to the downside, but I would probably start to DCA here. Let me just do a market order. So let's just do 5x leverage, isolated position. All right, and probably we'll put in $1,000 on this trade, and let's see how it goes, guys. All right. Again, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you my opinion about the market, guys. And this could still probably go down if the price will break down below the 200 exponential moving average. But look at this. The volume is decreasing and the price is also decreasing, guys. So there is a probability or a chance that we might get a bounce near the neckline support. If this goes down and retests the 200 exponential moving average on the daily time frame, probably I would DCA on this trade. Let's see how it goes in the coming days. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and you can take advantage of the free bonus, guys, if you will create an account in BYDfi using my referral link in the description down below. New user rewards. So feel free to check it out. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.